As a YouTube content creator, are you aware that you might be at risk of not being accepted for the YouTube Partner Program YPP? Now, this follows the YouTube's recent monetization update that is only 1 week away. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what this policy really means and what you can do so that you can be safe as a content creator. So I'm just going to read this policy, how it states, and listen in. An update posted by YouTube reads, in order to monetize as part of the YouTube Partner Program YPP, YouTube has always required creators to upload quote-unquote original and quote-unquote authentic content. On July 15th, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. This update better reflects what quote-unquote inauthentic content looks like today. So what does this new policy say? This policy will actually deal with inauthentic content on YouTube because YouTube has recently been dealing with a lot of unoriginal content on its platform. So it's going to update its policies on such types of content so that it makes sure that the viewers get original content. So basically, this policy says that it will check for mass-produced content and repetitious content. What does this mean? A lot of YouTubers use automation to produce a lot of videos. So many people, for example, those who use AI, produce a lot of content which take minimal effort. So this is what YouTube doesn't want at all. YouTube wants you to provide value in its platform. So that's where originality comes in. So when you are doing repetitive content that take less effort to make, YouTube will actually flag such types of content when this policy is effected come July 15th. So make sure you be on the safe side and do the right thing. And again, if you're doing repetitious contents and you're producing content that looks almost similar or almost duplicate of the other, you are also not safe because YouTube is going to flag such types of content, and YouTube is tightening its guidelines for reviewing such types of content. So make sure that as a creator, you produce only original content that belongs to you. Even if you are doing content such as reaction contents from other people's videos, make sure that you add certain value to such types of content and not use it the way it is from where you've taken it from. So be on the alert because this thing is taking effect just a week away from now, and you don't want to be a victim. So when this new monetization policy is effected, make sure that you be on the safe side. So how do you be on the safe side? So first of all, try to check at your content, review your content, check for originality. Even if you made a mistake anywhere in any of your videos, please check it. And what you can do is to delete such videos, or you can as well make them private and not public the way they are at the moment, so that whenever this policy takes effect on 15th of July, you are not caught unawares. So please make sure that you review your content right now because you only have 1 week. So don't wait until that day so that YouTube flags you and tells you what to do or penalizes you. Even if you feel that your content has no issues with it, please, you can also wait for YouTube to give you further directions because YouTube has not yet given clear meaning of what inauthentic and repetitious content look like. So you can also wait and see the directive that YouTube will give to creators. But most importantly, you can prevent before you cure. So just review your content and check if there are any kinds of issues that will go against the new policy guidelines and take action immediately. You can privatize your videos, make them private to be safe. If you feel that you have certain types of videos that have issues, you can also delete some of your videos that you feel have certain types of issues. And lastly, you can wait for YouTube to give further directives. So please make sure that you be on the safe side so that when this policy takes effect come July 15th, you be on the safe side. So to be on the safe side, always make sure that your content has some originality. Whether you are doing sit-down videos like this one that I'm doing right now, make sure that it's original. Whether you're doing vlogs or whether you're doing reaction or commentary videos, please do add value to such types of videos and not take them as their own from the original creators. So please make sure that you are safe, every creator, whether monetized or not monetized. So what could be the implications of this policy when it comes to effect? So we are going to see a lot of YouTube channels getting denied YouTube partner program, or we can also expect to get already monetized channels getting demonetized or removed from the YouTube partner program, or you can get certain videos from your YouTube channel deleted. So please be on the lookout and let's wait and see what's gonna happen, because YouTube has not already given what's gonna happen. So we are waiting for further guidelines from YouTube. So just be on the safe side. If you're doing original content, you have nothing much to worry about. So please, let's wait and see what's gonna happen. But it's good to take action now before that takes effect. So if you really found value in this video and if you found it informative, please do like it and share it with other creators so that they could also benefit from it. And if you love contents like this one, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel where we give realistic YouTube growth tips and insights. And don't forget to put that notification bell so that any other time I drop a video, YouTube gives you an automatic notification. See you in my next video.